Step into the future with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, a game-changer in the foldable phone market. Will it redefine mobile technology, or will it just be another fold in the fabric? Dive in as we unravel the mysteries and expectations surrounding this highly anticipated device. The anticipating major hardware innovations for Samsung's upcoming book-style foldable, with its Z Flip and Z Fold series, once dominated the foldable phone market. However, the rapid emergence of competitors means that Samsung can no longer rest on its laurels. Consequently, the tech world is eagerly awaiting the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is likely to be unveiled in the summer of 2024. The question on everyone's mind is how the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will distinguish itself from its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is one of the top-selling foldable phones globally. Will it draw design or hardware cues from the Google Pixel Fold or OnePlus Open, its two main competitors? Will its camera quality finally match that of the best conventional smartphones? Here's a roundup of what we know about the forthcoming foldable device. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Thank you for your support. Projected release date of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The launch of a Galaxy Z Fold 6 by Samsung is almost a given. Company representatives hinted at the development of a successor to the Z Fold 5 during our visit to Samsung's headquarters for the phone's launch event. With Apple yet to venture into the foldable phone market, Samsung will undoubtedly want to maintain its lead. The release date for the Z Fold 6, however, remains uncertain. Samsung broke tradition last year by releasing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in July, a few weeks ahead of its usual August launch. Galaxy Z Fold 5 released 26 July 2023. Galaxy Z Fold 4 released 10th August 2022. Galaxy Z Fold 3 released 24th August 2021. Galaxy Z Fold 2 released 5th August 2020. Samsung no longer aligns its launches with trade shows like Mobile World Congress or IFA. The Z Fold 6 is expected to debut alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and possibly new Galaxy Watch wearables at a dedicated Unpacked event. Currently, the rumor mill is buzzing about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, slated for a January 2024 release. Once that's out of the way, we anticipate Samsung will finalize its dates, with leaked reports to follow. Hardware and design speculations for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. At present, there's scant information about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, either official or speculative. However, that doesn't mean we're entirely clueless about what to expect when it launches. During a visit to Samsung's headquarters in July 2023, we saw several mock-up handsets used as design models for an upcoming foldable phone. Most had wider outer screens than the current Z Fold 5, indicating that Samsung might finally be considering a departure from the slim and skinny fold format. We also spotted a prototype with an integrated S Pen stylus. The camera bump and central frame are unlikely to undergo significant changes given their consistency with Samsung's Galaxy phone lineup. Naver, a reliable leaker, has hinted at new aspect ratios for both the inner and outer screens of the Z Fold 6. While there are no specifics, it's plausible that Samsung might opt for a wider outer screen, a feature much in demand. Another prediction is that the design will offer a glimpse into the Galaxy S25 lineup, not expected until early 2025. On the inside, the inclusion of a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor seems inevitable. Qualcomm and Samsung announced a multi-generation agreement when Samsung switched from its Exynos CPUs, and the new chip is already proving to be a formidable contender. It will also incorporate AI capabilities, enabling Samsung to compete with Google and the rumored AI-assisted Apple iPhone 16 Pro. Memory and storage configurations are likely to remain the same, while battery capacity will hinge on whether the screen size increases significantly, allowing room for a larger cell. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature faster 65W charging speeds, which are expected to be incorporated into the Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 anticipated hardware enhancements and wish list features. The current Z Fold 5's charging capacity maxes out at 25W, falling short of several competitors. While there's no official confirmation yet, based on Samsung's historical trends, we anticipate some camera hardware upgrades in this generation. The Z Fold 2 and 3 utilize the same sensors, which were then updated for the Z Fold 4 and 5 models. A logical progression would be the addition of a 5x zoom lens, as numerous competitors can now achieve this range without resorting to digital manipulation. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 desired features. Despite our admiration for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it only garnered 4 stars in our review. There's ample scope for enhancement, and we believe Samsung should prioritize the following areas to ensure its next model achieves an even higher rating. If these suggestions seem familiar, it's because we had a similar wish list for last year's model. We're hoping Samsung takes note this time around. Tier 1. Superior cameras. This issue isn't exclusive to Samsung, but we're growing weary of foldable phones priced over $1,500 equipped with camera hardware that falls short of traditional handsets costing half as much. Google is also culpable of this. OnePlus appears to have broken the mold, and we're eager to see the Z Fold 6 follow suit. 2. A shorter, wider outer screen. This might be a bit of a stretch, considering Samsung seems committed to the tall, slender screen seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but we'd appreciate a change in dimensions. The OnePlus Open discovered a more user-friendly design that's easier to operate single-handedly when folded shut, compared to either the Z Fold 5 or the compact Google Pixel Fold. If Samsung adopts a similar approach, the Z Fold 6 could be more functional as a phone, rather than just a tablet that can be folded to fit in your pocket. 3. Accommodate an S Pen. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 officially supports Samsung's S Pen digital stylus, but it doesn't come with one, and there's no built-in storage for it in the phone, unlike the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We understand that folding inner screens are more fragile than a traditional phone display, but hopefully, another year of material research means the Z Fold 6's display will be more robust, allowing more users to safely use a stylus. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. We have a lot of exciting content coming your way. Leave a comment below, letting us know what you thought of today's video and what you'd like to see in the future. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay awesome.